you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received my products for July by STYLEVANA. Do you want to know what I'll be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So July's box just arrived. They do send me this for review. So thank you so much, STYLEVANA, for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, STYLEVANA is not a subscription box. It is a company where you can literally go to their site and buy anything and everything K-beauty and J-beauty related. They have amazing deals all the time. You can use my code INF10, SheCrafty, and that'll save 10 to 15% off their already amazing low prices and deals. You can use INF10, SheCrafty. So let's get into this. Now, last month's box, I did explain to you how they basically do it. They'll send me like a list and say, how do these items sound? And I normally don't really even read them because I like a little surprise and I like to use new products and just see what they have to offer because there's so much stuff. So last month I did tell you guys, I never really even check. So when I was letting them know that my video was done for last month, I saw then for July, I saw an item and I'm like, oh, I just reviewed that. So I wrote them and I was like, I'm sorry, but one of those products I already have. So can I just give that to somebody in a giveaway in that video so they can try it because it's amazing? And they said yes. So one of the products in here, it's going to be, I'll show you first because I see it right on top actually. And that is this right here. Let me remove the rest of this stuff really quick. Ooh, I love that package. Look at that. I love the teal and it looks oceany, like my two favorite things. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. So that is everything out of the box. Let me show you this item again. If you did watch last month's video, then you already have seen this and I will show you me using it again. But here is the package and how it comes. It has the plastic. I'm going to leave it all like that because this I'm going to give to one of you guys. So at the end of this video, if you'd like to know how to win this, I will let you know. But inside of that will be this. It comes in a really nice box. I do really like the box and it's magnetic. So you have the magnetic closure if you want to just keep it down in here. And I have used this several times and then I saw their email, so I stopped. I'm like, because I got to show it again. So I wanted to kind of still look a little new, but I absolutely love the way that this works. I like the way that it feels, how both of these little nubbies move and groove as you are going up and down your face. It just feels so good and it just feels like it's helping push the serum in. It does come with its own collagen impact sapphire well derma. This is a serum that you can use with it, and I have used this several times with it. But once this is done, you can use any serum to go with it. But I love this. Not only is it like kind of heavy, like you can tell that this is not cheap material. It is made of high quality material. And I love that these two just move at different times. So again, when you're going up, you can go up and twist, you can go up and twist, and it just feels so good. I absolutely love it. So again, once I saw that they were sending it to me again, I'm like, oh no, I just reviewed that. But I'm actually so glad that they agreed for me to give it to one of you guys because I love this product and I want one of you to enjoy it just as much. So there's the first item that they had sent for this month, and that is a serum and roller for collagen beauty care by Well Derma. I love it. Again, now let me go with this one because I love this packaging. It says Marine Care Nourishing Toner and Moisturizer. And there's the brand name right there. I already love this package though. If it's teal inside. This is for normal to dry skin. It's skin refining. Toner plus moisturizer. And ooh, oh my gosh, that's going to be my favorite toner packaging. Look at that. That is gorgeous. And it's like, is it a glass bottle or? No, it's a plastic bottle, but it's a nice thick plastic bottle. But that is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it says it is for normal to dry skin, strengthens skin's barrier, deep and full moisturizing. How to use: take an appropriate amount and apply it evenly to your skin and pat it to absorb it even after. So cleanse, tone, and then use whatever serum, moisturizer, whatever your little heart desires afterwards. But this would be step 2 after cleansing. And again, I love the colors and I love that image. The beach scene on there, that's so pretty. I love that. Okay, so next we have, it is Deep Clear Cleansing Balm. And I love a cleansing balm. My routine every single day is I start with the cleansing balm first, just to roll around, to get my mascara, to get everything off of this general area, because I don't really have anything anywhere else. Then I get in the shower, and in the shower, I will use a normal cleanser to wash my face while I'm in there. Then I get out and then I tone and then put whatever serum or moisturizer. Me personally, I normally try to use a moisturizer, but I do use the serums and then use the tools and all of that too. But I always start with this first. This is my number 1 starter. Ooh, and I like that blue. I'm on a roll with pretty packaging today. This is a really nice size. And when you open her up, ooh, it gives you one of these little things so you can scoop her outer, and then you have the protected lid, and that is the balm right down in there. And with this, if you have never used a cleansing balm, a little bit literally goes a long way. So even in the video that I'm showing you me using it, I literally just scoop up a tiny bit, and then I rub that between my fingers, get it nice and warm, like the warmth of your fingers will kind of break it down a little. And then I just use my makeup eraser washcloth thing just to wipe it off. That's it. But all my makeup is pretty much gone by one of these babies right here. So I'm super excited to try this Deep Clear Cleansing Balm. There's that guy. Okay, so next up is from Etude. It says Soon Jung 2 times Barrier Intensive Cream. That's what the package looks like. And that's what it looks like inside. Let's see if it says how to use. Moisturizing cream to strengthen skin's moisture barrier. Directions. Use at the last step of skincare to provide deeper moisture to skin. Dispense a pearl-sized amount on the back of hand. Apply to face and press steadily to promote absorption in the skin. Okay, so this is after cleansing, toning. This is the last step, and you just put a little bit and put it on and kind of little dabble in, and you're good. Again, anything with a moisturizer I love, especially waking up in the morning, having nice, soft, just clean, soft feeling skin is amazing. So I can't wait to try that. Up next, we have an SPF 50+, PA++++, Sun Protect Skin Relief Sun Cream, and it's by Thank You Farmer. I always tell you guys, protecting our skin from this sun that is getting stronger and stronger. I feel every year it's getting stronger and hotter, but it is very, very important for us to protect our skin. Skin cancer is really, really big in my family. So I always say, protect your skin. I mean, one little simple step can save you a whole lot of heartaches in the future. And how cute is this package? I even have these like down in my gardening bags. I have them on my back patio. I have them in my car. I have sun cream everywhere because I definitely want to protect my skin. Right now, actually, you can't really tell. I have a little tan line going on from wearing gloves, working in the yard, doing the chicken coop. It's probably only going to get worse, but I see it. This arm, you can't tell as much. But that is super, super cute. And again, it's a perfect size just to drop in your purse, sporting bags, whenever. You never know when you need to protect your skin. So there's that guy, and I love the packaging, the color. Up next, in like a minty green package, this is a Vita Drop Serum. All right. I'm just really getting some good colors of packaging today, let me tell you. To my teals, to the mint green, and I was hoping it was going to be a mint green on the inside. But does it just twist and twist? No, it pulls off. So that's what the top looks like, and you just dispense it right in your hand. It looks like it's like a yellowish color. Yeah. So it's kind of like a yellowish color to it. And it says directions: every morning and evening, apply a moderate amount to skin and gently tap for better absorption. So you have the serum. So after cleansing, toning, you can use this serum. And then if you want to put a moisturizer on afterwards, there you go. I don't smell anything at all, but it blended in so nicely and it feels amazing. So I can't wait to put that on my face, especially to use my little roller ball that I love to use now. I can't wait for one of you guys to try that. And then the last thing in here is, what are you? Dr. Jart Vital Hydra Solution. It says sheet type facial mask that moisturizes and visibly revitalizes the skin. This is a big one. Is this just a really one mask in here? What in the world? Okay, let's get this opened. It says genuine product. Oh, so there's several of them in here. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. You know what? Since there is 5 of these, oh my gosh, these are probably gonna be really good too. I'm gonna put a few of them in with that other thing, so whoever does win that can get a few of these as well. These are probably gonna be some really good masks, you guys. So it's in a 5-pack. They're again by Dr. Jart. You just put them on your face, leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and you take them off. These are my favorite types of masks. You don't wash them off when you're done. My pro tip on these, a pro tip is I like to leave a handful of them in the refrigerator at all times. So whenever I do want to, I'll grab it out of the refrigerator. It's nice and cold. It feels amazing when it's nice and cold solution going on your face. So that's just what I like to do. But again, there are 5 of these. I can't wait to try these, and I can't wait for one of you to try it with that roller ball, but that is awesome. All right, you guys, so that is everything that they sent me for this month. So comment down below and let me know, have you tried any of these products? Have you heard of any of these brands? Have you tried anything from STYLEVANA? Do you have a cart built up and you're waiting to cash out? Don't forget INF 10, SheCrafty will save you 10 to 15% off, but let me know if you've ever tried them. I just love that you can literally go to one-stop shopping for anything K-Beauty or J-Beauty related. They will have you covered. So if you want to know how to enter into this giveaway, again, it will be for this and it will be for these right here. I definitely want somebody else to try this out because it is so neat. I've never used a facial tool that works like that with both of the little nubbies moving. So this is super neat. So if you would like to enter into this, number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. That's why I do what I do, to give back to those that are here positively supporting me on my channel. So you must be subscribed. If you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then you can enter. Give this video a big thumbs up. Leave one comment down below, and in that comment have the words "sharing is caring." Only one comment per username with the words "sharing is caring." You can leave as many comments as you want, but only one entering in to make it fair for everybody. You must have a United States address for me to mail them to. I don't care where you live, as long as I'm paying for a United States address to ship it to. You must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian, somebody over the age of 18 to enter in for you. So I would be communicating with an adult to get addresses and that kind of thing. And that is all. Just smile. So be subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. One comment down below with the words "sharing is caring." Have a United States address and be over the age of 18. That is all. Simple and sweet. I will have this run for 1 week. At the end of the week, I will have a random comment picker cipher through the comments to pick one that says "sharing is caring." If you are subscribed to me and you did follow that rule, then I will reply back to your comment saying, "Congratulations, you are the current winner." Make sure it is only from my account only and it looks just like this. Do not get scammed by a scammer. I will tell you to reach out to me to give me your address. If you want to make sure that you are communicating with me first before giving an address, go right ahead, but don't just give your address to anybody, and it has to come from my channel with my logo, my Just SheCrafty, that kind of thing. And I will tell you, you have 48 hours to comment back to confirm. If you do not comment back to confirm within that 48 hours, a new winner must be drawn, and the new winner will have the same rules, so on and so forth until I get a confirmed win. Down below in the description box will be the official rules, the official end date if there's any questions, and then when it is over, it'll say "Congratulations to so-and-so, has 48 hours to confirm," or it will say "confirmed." But I do giveaways on my channel as much as I can to give back to you guys because I greatly do appreciate every single one of you. So that is all again for this particular video. Again, comment down below. Let me know, what did you think about STYLEVANA? Have you ordered anything? Do you want to? Let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.